Hey squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here, and basically what this is a portable air cooler that you can basically use like a cooler fan and also a humidifier as well. So right here in the front, you can see they provide guys a photo of what the product looks like, and right here in the bottom, they provide guys some of the specs and features that's on here. So they mention how there's a timing option, 3 different speed level, cold wind option, power supply, and remote control. And if you guys turn to this side, they also provide guys some more information as well. So if you guys only want to use the fan option, then you don't need to add the cold water in. But if you guys do want to use the air cooler option, then you guys want to add some cold water in and also some ice as well. But here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, this is what it looks like inside. Let's take everything out. So inside there's a bunch of stuff. So they do provide guys like a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. Right here they provide guys the USB to USB-C cable that you can use to recharge the product and activate it. And then right here we do have the remote control that you can use to change the different settings that's on here. So there's on button, an off button, a different fan speed low button on here, timer option, light option. I believe this is like the cooling fan option. So really cool how they provide guys remote controls, so that way you can use this to control it, or you can control it manually on the device. But last but not least, we do have actual device right here. So let's take it out. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So you can see on the top part right here, they do have a very nice little handle for you to carry around really easily. So that way the product is super portable. Top part right here, we do have a little lid for it to open up. So let's push it open. That is basically what the inside looks like. So that is where you guys will add the water inside here and also like the ice too as well to give you guys that air cooler option. Once you guys are done, you can close it back up. Just like that. Very easy and very simple. Then part right here, we do have a few buttons for you to press. So there's fan speed low button, a timer button, a light option, and probably like the cooling option right here. So I'm assuming the light option is right here when you guys do turn it on. And then right here is the fan or the air cooler option where it blows out the air. And you guys notice in the middle part right here, they do give you guys the option to adjust it. So that way you can raise it up, raise it down. So that's pretty cool as well. So when you guys turn to the back, if you see the bottom right here, they have this little slot here to open up. So that way you can pour out any excess water if you guys want to. And if you guys notice on the bottom, they do have like the non-slip material, so that way when you guys do put it on a flat surface, it won't move around. And if you guys turn to this side, this is where you plug in the cable to charge it and activate it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now I'm actually plugging in cable to show you guys how it works. Alright, so I got my cable right here, if you plug it in. So once you guys plug it in, you can see right here there's an indicator light to show you guys that's on. So the way how you guys turn it on is by pressing and holding down this button right here. And that turns it on. So you see when we turn on, there's a light right here and also on top as well, and it changes the color automatically. So obviously it's kind of hard for you guys to see right now, but I'll show you guys what it looks like in a darker setting in a second. But like I mentioned, you do have the option to turn on and turn off the light. If you're pressing this button right here, that will turn on the air cooler option, but because we don't have any water in yet, it won't really work. But if you guys want to change different speed level, you guys can press right here. So this is speed level 1. You guys press it 1 time. Speed level 2, press it again. Speed level 3. If you guys press it again, goes back to 1. And then for time option, there's 1 hour, 2 hours, and 4 hours. So depending on how long you guys want, that is up to you guys. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to use remote control, you do have the option available as well. So if you guys turn it off, that turns it off. Turn it on, that turns it on. Turn off the light, turn on the light. Change the different speed level on here. So you see everything on here definitely does work. So that is everything that's on the product. Now I'm actually going to add some water inside right here and test it out to see how it feels once you guys use the cooler option with the water inside. And I'll also show you guys what it actually looks like in the darkest setting. And I will come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here I do have the product. Let me add some water inside to show you guys how the air cooler option works. So let's unplug the cable first. You guys will open up the lid. Add some water inside right here. It's recommended for you guys to use cold water, so that way you get a better effect when you guys do use it. Alright, so that should be good. Let's close it back up. And if you guys plug in the cable, once you guys turn it on, do the same thing like earlier. So now that we have the water inside, you guys can hear the misting option that's coming out. So for the air cooler option right here, when you guys turn on this mode, it does give you guys like this humidifier option where it should produce mist out. And you do have the option to pause it as well. So if you press the button again, that will pause it. If you guys turn it back on, that will turn back on the humidifier option, which is basically like a mist option. So that way, if you guys want to add a little bit of humidity to your room, you can definitely turn on that option. But when you guys do feel the air on here, it definitely feels pretty cool. I feel like if you guys add like even colder water or ice cubes inside, it'll feel even more cool. But this is what the product sounds like on the lowest setting. If you guys press it again, that is the middle. Press it one more time. Now it's on high. And like I mentioned earlier right here, they do give you guys the option to adjust it to raise up and down as well. So that way if you guys want to blow up, blow down, or blow forward, you can adjust it based on your own preference. But that is basically how you guys use the product. You can see very easy and very simple. Now I'm going to bring in darker setting to show you guys what the product looks like with the LED light option. Alright, so here we have the product. If you guys turn off the light, this is what the product looks like in complete darkness. If you guys do have a little bit of light shining in, let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is what the product looks like in complete darkness and also with a little bit of light. You can see it actually looks pretty cool. Welcome back, guys. So next, a quick test. The product definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. So obviously when you guys use these portable air coolers, it won't work as well compared to like your AC that's in your house or whatever. But for the actual product, it works really well as a portable AC option or air cooler option, where you can put it right next to you in your desk or something to cool you guys down. And for these, it actually works a lot better than your typical like tower fans, etc. Because when you guys use like a portable air cooler fan, it works as a regular fan, a humidifier, and also like an air cooler fan as well, which is pretty cool. So if you guys think about it, you guys are basically getting like 3-in-1 on here, which is pretty awesome. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now the end question of whether or not it should work or not. So for these portable air coolers, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality portable air cooler that does everything that I mentioned on here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.